This video's purpose is to help N-Form users find their file ID for their pool or spa when filling out the PBF registration or self-certification forms. Each pool or spa that is known by the department is assigned a unique file number which begins with a letter that corresponds to the type of facility. The letter is followed by a 3 or 4-digit number. The following letters are used to designate PBFs by type. H equals hot tubs and spas. R equals special recreation pools such as spray pads, lazy rivers, and wave pools. S equals swimming pools. T equals therapy pools. And W equals wading pools. File IDs can be found on our NHDES OneStop page using this link, www.des.nh.gov/onestop-navigation. You can also access the NHDES OneStop search page by this link in the Facility Information tab in either the Registration or Self-Certification form under Need Help Finding Your Public Bathing Facility ID. Once on the NHDES OneStop search page, you will scroll down to the blue OneStop Basic Search button and click. After clicking the OneStop Basic Search button or using the link within the forms, you will be brought to this page. Once on the OneStop search page, you will check off on the left Public Pools/Spas and uncheck Include Other Interests Found at this location. Next, under Location, you will choose the town/city where the establishment is located. Once you have entered in your town/city, click Enter to search all of the pool and spa facilities located in that town. If you are not able to find your establishment name or pool file ID through the OneStop page, please email despools@des.nh.gov. There are several reasons why you may not be able to locate your establishment. 1. The PBF is not known to NHDES, so it is not in our database. 2. The PBF is identified as inactive in the database. And 3. The establishment name may be incorrect due to change in ownership. After searching your establishment by town or city, you will be brought to the results page, which shows the establishment name and location, along with a clickable link for the public pool/spa facility. After clicking the link, you will scroll down to the pool/spas table and look for the file number column on the left. The file number is the public bathing facility file ID that will be entered into the registration or self-certification form. Next, you will choose which file ID you are looking for based on the details provided to the right and below by clicking the Show button under Details. Once you have the correct file number, copy and paste or type the file number into the Public Bathing Facility File ID box within the registration or self-certification form. After entering your pool/file ID, continue filling out the form and entering information specific to your pool.